All right, so the Dermareal Cica set is designed as a complete skincare solution for sensitive skin. So did you know that Cica comes from Centella asiatica, a well-known ingredient used in dermatology for its calming and skin repairing properties. Atomy's Dermareal Cica line goes beyond basic Cica products by using dermatological grade formulation, focusing on restoring the skin's barrier and maintaining long-term skin health. This set is suitable for people with sensitive or reactive skin damaged by treatments or environmental stress, people who want gentle but effective daily skincare. The goal of the Sika set is not instant results, remember that, but consistent improvement, healthier skin balance, and reduced irritation over time. Now, Derma Real Cica line is developed to calm and protect sensitive, irritated skin. The key ingredient is Centella asiatica, well known for its soothing and skin repairing benefits. What makes Atomy's formula unique is its gentle dermatology focused approach that helps restore the skin barrier, not stress it. The toner, ampule, and cream, as you can see on your screen, work together as a complete calming system, helping skin feel balanced, comfortable, and healthy over time. That's why we say you can truly soothe your skin with Atomy Derma Real Cica. The key strength of Centella asiatica, the main ingredient in Atomy's Derma Real Cica line, calms irritation, reduces redness, and support skin recovery. Instead of just soothing the surface, these ingredients work together to help strengthen the skin's natural barrier. This is why Centella is especially effective for sensitive, stressed, or easily irritated skin, providing gentle but reliable relief. So if you encounter a customer or a person who has really sensitive skin, or has rash on the skin like psoriasis, or redness that appears easily, I would really advise you to let them try our Derma Real Cica set plus the gel cleanser, because it will really help in soothing their sensitive skin. Now, what is the meaning behind Derma Real Cica? First, the term derma cosmetic comes from combining dermatology and cosmetics. It means skincare that is not only cosmetic but also dermatology focused, designed to care for sensitive and stressed skin. The next is Cica, as what you can see here. Cica is short for Centella asiatica, a well-known ingredient in dermatology. So if you Google what are the ingredients that can actually soothe sensitive skin, and the number one ingredient that you can find even when you ask ChatGPT will be Centella asiatica extract. So this is valued for its ability to soothe irritation, support skin recovery, and strengthen the skin barrier. When these two concepts come together, Dermareal Cica becomes skincare that focuses on gentle effectiveness rather than harsh or aggressive treatments. In simple terms, it is skincare that respects the skin while helping it return to a healthy, calm, and balanced state. Now, let us talk about the ingredients. As I am already reiterating, the main ingredients is Centella asiatica, but we also have a soothing Centella-based formula known as the Centella Calming Complex and Centella asiatica DNA. This allows the products to calm the skin from the very first touch. All ingredients are green ingredients carefully obtained from nature, making them suitable for really sensitive skin. A key active ingredient here is madecassoside, extracted from Centella asiatica, which is sourced from Madagascar, which is well known for its high quality centella plants. Let me talk about what is special in madecassoside. This is especially effective for calming irritation and supporting skin recovery. And finally, the entire line is produced in a 100% friendly manner, reflecting Atomi's commitment to both skin health and environmental care. This is why Derma Real Cica is safe, gentle, and trusted even for super sensitive skin. Now, why do you think Centella asiatica is such an important ingredient in Dermasica? First, it's anti-aging. Yes, it also contains madecassoside, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. It also helps support collagen production, improving elasticity and helping the skin maintain a youthful appearance. Second is it is moisturizing. Centella is actually rich in amino acids, fatty acids, and natural nutrients that deeply hydrates the skin. And lastly, it is also known for its soothing effects. The active components in centella help calm redness, irritation, and inflammation. It strengthens the skin moisture barrier, making it specially suitable for sensitive or easily irritated skin. So together, these benefits explain why Centella asiatica is the core ingredient behind Derma Real Cica's gentle yet effective skincare. So if you search on YouTube, you will be able to see a lot of testimonials about our Derma Real Cica set. So, the healing power and background of Centella asiatica is first, it has healing benefits. Centella has long been known to support skin recovery, making it helpful for concerns such as eczema. So, people with eczema should really try this product. People with psoriasis should also try these products for acne, stretch marks, and weakened skin. For acne-prone skin, it helps speed up the healing process and reduces the risk of scarring and future blemishes. The active compound madecassoside plays an important role by boosting antioxidant activity at the site of damage, improving circulation, and strengthening the skin during recovery. So, now maybe you're wondering, what exactly is Centella asiatica? It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to heal wounds and soothe inflammation. There is even a legend that the tigers would roll in the plant to heal their injuries, which is why centella is often called tiger grass. It grows mainly in Asia and has been valued for generations in both medicine and daily wellness, making it a trusted ingredient for sensitive skincare today. So I have been trying this, I have tried this Dermatologica set, and what I really found on my skin is that it really suits my the sensitivity of the skin, the redness of the skin, because before I also had like lots of acne, and centella asiatica as a main ingredient to dermasica really helped me to recover from this acne prone skin of mine. And I believe right now I'm using Atomy products for almost 5 years, and I could say that my skin really improved a lot. Now, here are the 4-step skincare routine for the Atomy Dermasica. First is the cleanser. By the way, in one set, there is the toner, ampule, and cream. The cleanser, we can purchase it on top of the Derma Real Cica set. So the cleanser doesn't go together in the set. We can purchase it separately. All right, now the price. The Derma Real Cica set for the 3 products is only for 62 euros and 50 cents on our Atomy Europe website. And when you purchase this product, if you are a distributor, or yes, you will be able to accumulate 43,000 points. If you want to know more information about the pointing system of Atomy, compensation plan of Atomy, please do not hesitate to contact me after our live. Next, we move forward to Atomy Derma Real Cica Gel Cleanser, which is also designed specially for sensitive and easily irritated skin. As you can see here on your screen, the cleanser is mildly acidic, which helps maintain the skin's natural pH balance, an important factor in keeping the skin healthy and calm. It contains Atomy's Centella's Calming Complex and ceramide, which protects the barrier of our skin, which work together to soothe the skin while protecting the natural moisture barrier. The transparent gel formula creates a soft, rich lather that cleanses effectively without stripping moisture, so the skin feels refreshed rather than tight after washing. So if you will notice, if you are using, let's say the Atomy Foam Cleanser, after washing your skin with the foam cleanser, your skin will feel tight, right? But if you use the Atomy Derma Real Cica Gel Cleanser, this is very soft. Even if you put it on your palm and mix it with water, you will really already feel the softness of the gel, and especially when you put it onto your skin. It's very soft, it's very light, it's very soothing, and the smell is fantastic. This cleanser is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, and made with a green formula, making it safe for daily use morning and evening. For days with sunscreen or makeup, it can be gently lathered again for a deeper cleanse while still remaining gentle on the skin. So our gel cleanser is 150 ml, available on our Atomy Europe shopping mall. Now on this slide, you will be able to see the clinical trial results of the Derma Real Cica line after 3 weeks of use. The test focused on skin exposed to external stress, such as chemical stimuli and UV rays, common causes of irritation and skin damage. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, on top of using our skincare, we have to make it as a habit to use our sunscreen every day, no matter what the season may be. Even in the winter, yes, we have to use our sunscreen. So first, the results show improved soothing effects and reduced skin irritation, meaning the skin became calmer and less reactive over time. Second, there was a clear improvement in transepidermal water loss, which means that the skin moisture barrier became stronger and better able to retain hydration. And finally, the trials also confirmed, as you can see on the screen, reduced irritation from UV exposure, showing that the skin recovered more effectively when using the Derma Real Cica. These results simply just demonstrates that Derma Real Cica doesn't just feel gentle. It is clinically proven to support skin recovery and barrier health with consistent use. So it's not only when we feel already very good on the skin, we must really make it as a habit to use this Derma Real Cica set in the morning and in the evening to see really how effective it will be or it will give for your sensitive skin. And another clinical trial is of this one is what you can see on the screen. So as you can see here, after 3 weeks of use, the soothing has been improved 95%, moisture 100%, with the ampule soothing 100%, moisture 100%, and as well as the cream, both 100%. So all of the bottles, or yes, the toner, ampule, and cream, it showed a very high results in both soothing and moisture across all the products in the set, just as important as safety. During the clinical trials, no adverse skin reactions were observed. We've been doing wellness days every now and when I see some people that really has a redness on their skin, I already know which product to introduce for them. And surprisingly, really, when they washed their skin with a gel cleanser, the redness is quickly, um, not disappearing totally, but it has been reduced in a very significant amount. Then when they use the toner, ampule, and cream, the customers immediately tells me like, wow, they don't actually feel the redness and for some people, when their skin turn red, they often feel warmth on their skin. But after using the toner, ampule, and cream, they told me, okay, wow, Arjoyce, I don't actually feel the warmth onto my skin and the redness is decreasing. So it's really amazing results when you try this one. So these results confirm that Dermaril Cica is not only effective but also safe and gentle even for sensitive skin, making it suitable for daily use with a lot of confidence. And another clinical trial. So, first, I am really proud to say that the product received an excellent rating in the Dermatest in Germany for sensitive skin irritation test, which is trusted in as an international evaluation standard. It was also confirmed that through hypoallergenic testing that the probability of causing allergic reaction is very, very low. In addition, Dermaril Cica passed the eye irritation test, showing no irritation around the eye area after use. So even if you put the cream or the ampule or the toner around your eyes, you will not notice any irritation at all. This is how mild and effective our Atomy Dermaril Cica is. These results demonstrate that Dermaril Cica is not only effective but also clinically verified to be safe for daily use, even for people with very sensitive skin. This makes it reliable skincare choice for those who need gentle care without compromise. So by the way, guys, here in Zoom and in Facebook, every time I ask customers to try a product, first I ask them if they are already using a specific product or if this is the first time that they're using any products. If they tell me that this is the first time that they are using or trying any product, I will immediately introduce to them the Derma Real Cica Gel Cleanser plus the Derma Real Cica set. Now for the price of our Derma Real Cica Gel Cleanser, as you can see, very economic, very affordable price for 150 ml with such amazing ingredients and effective results. This product is only 13 euros and 50 cents on our Atomy Europe shopping mall. So again, on the left side of the slide, you will see a QR code. If you wanted to try this product, please don't hesitate to scan this code. If it asks you for a sponsor ID to make your own account so you could try this product immediately, please do not hesitate to send us a message on the chat, on the live on Facebook, or simply send me a message later on after our live and after our meeting. So again, I would like to welcome you. I would like to see you at our education center here in Belgium. You can book your appointment at www.atomybeautifulcenter.be, or you can simply contact us via WhatsApp, that is +32 456 328 040. I will be available 24/7, but if I don't respond immediately, I will definitely respond at the most convenient time.